Hey traders, welcome to a new video where I'm going to share with you a new scalping indicator made by me. For this indicator I've used the strategy of someone else. I saw this video of him. It's by The Secret Mindset. As you can see here in the image, the link to his channel is down in the description. But he's using 3 indicators and I thought like, hey, I can use this tree and make my own indicator from it, so you can test it as well and you don't have to look at the charts all the time and combine these. It will now just give you a buy and a sell signal. So 3 indicators it is. It's gonna be the EMA, the ADX and the RSI. I'll go by them one by one and show you the settings that he used. And when you take an entry, with all of them combined. That's really important before you use the indicator, so you know exactly what it did behind the scenes. In my opinion, it's pretty important to know sort of what every indicator does before you use it. BYBIT link in our description. Good luck. So, welcome to the super bullish Bitcoin right now. No, I'm kidding. It's just accumulating, guys. You know, in the end, it always goes up, right? But okay, let's add the indicators. The easiest one, let's add the EMA, the moving average exponential. Let's add that one. This one is purely for us to show the current trend. We only have to change the length of it. Make it 50, so it looks back 50 candles to show the average. Yeah, I don't know, make it a color. Let's make it, blue was fine by the way. Make it a bit thicker because we like it like that. And okay, the EMA is done now. Let's add the RSI. You see my own indicators, but it's gonna be the relative strength index. I hope and I guess all of you knows exactly what it does, but it shows you a momentum of the market. When it's above the 70 line, it's overbought, and when it's below it, below the 30 line, it's oversold. Normally this is a buy signal and this is a sell signal. As you can see, it was overbought here and it went down immediately. Right here, it was oversold and it went up immediately. It doesn't always work, of course, it would be too easy, but that's the main principle of how it works. But we want to change some settings of it. If you go to the input, the RSI length is going to be 3. We go back to style. We are gonna turn off the moving average because we already have an EMA. The upper band of the RSI, like I said, it was 70. We are going to put it on 80. Otherwise we have too many signals. And the lower band is going to be 20. Like this. So this is purely gonna be it. Of course you can still change the colors and stuff, but that doesn't change anything of what we are going to accomplish. So the RSI is done. Like I said, above is overbought, so you only take sell positions and vice versa. And the last indicator is going to be the ADX. That's the average directional index. This one is showing you the current trend of the market. Normally, if it's something above 20, it means it's trending. So you probably have a much more momentum, which is important for our strategy. We also want to change some settings in here. The ADX and the DI length should be 5. And our it should be above 30. To be trending for us. What you can do is make a horizontal line there. I did with Alt H, but you can also do it I don't know, is it here? Horizontal line, like that. Okay, so we have everything in the screen now. So we've set up nicely. In this screen, I can see two short entries. One would have taken you a profit, the other one would have stopped you out. But still, if you take two trades with a risk reward of 1.5, you still make a profit. Keep that in mind. So what do I want to see? Because we are underneath the 50 EMA, we only take short positions. The RSI is should be above the 80. Right here it's above, but here it isn't. Because for the ADX it should be above the 30. Because it should be trending. So it's keeping his momentum. So right here it's above again. Before that it was above here. And on the second peak in the RSI, the trend went up above the 30. That's why we would have taken a short position. So let's take a short position right on the candle close. Stop loss. I almost do it on a resistance line or above the last swing high or on the 50 EMA. Right now the 50 EMA is gonna be right here. And it's just above the last swing high, which is always nice to have. And the risk reward, I'll do it on 1.5. So that one would have given you a profit. And the other one is quite obvious. Unfortunately, the trend of the ADX is going downwards, but we are still above the 30. Let's take, oh, not long. Let's take a short position right here. Because the RSI is above the 80, the ADX is on the 50, so that's pretty high. So we take a short position on the candle close, on the candle open of the next one. That will be here. Stop loss on the 50 EMA. As you can see, we just missed it. That's really unfortunate, but hey, you cannot have them all. But it's nice that you have a stop loss just around here on the 50 EMA. Because when it's still going down the 50 EMA and the candles goes above it, there's a big chance you get a reversal in the market. So it's good that you stopped out, so say the least. I made that mistake quite often. Please keep your stop loss, especially when you're scalping. It took me a while to find a long position because Bitcoin has some sort of a downwards momentum these days. But okay, there's one. It's really tight, but it's still a valid one. Right here, you see the RSI is underneath the 20. You are above the 50 EMA. And after that, when the RSI is underneath it, the ADX is above the 30. So this is a solid long position. And as you can see, this one would have taken a profit. You can easily see that. Last swing we would have taken on this swing low times 1.5. Would be an easy one. Yeah, I can look for another one, but I think the basics are really easy. So yeah, just I think you'll understand it now. So what I've done for you guys is I removed the EMA. I'll keep these. When I add my indicator, let me see, it's a daily investments EMA RSI ADX. The link is in Discord. You can find it there. It's only in Discord available. Discord is free. You can join for free. It's in the description. I'll see you guys there. But if I add this one, it immediately added the strategy of what the other content creator did. The Secret Mindset was his name, I believe. You can change all the settings and if you want a strategy tester or not. Because when we are not testing a strategy, it gives every signal where it meets the requirements you'll need. Because right here it's saying go short because it's above the RSI and it's above the 30 line of on or above the 30 line of the ADX. So yeah, it's quite easy to use. So if you turn on the strategy tester, it will show you a lot of things. It shows a entry, a take profit, and a stop loss. You can change that by changing the risk reward and the ATR. But if you set the risk reward on 1.5, the percent profitable decreases a bit. And if you increase the EMA length, it's quite the same even, but you get, wait, let me see. If you have this one on 100, you get way more trades. And if you increase the ATR to, I don't know, let's say 1.5, it decreases already a little bit. That gives you a little bit more of a margin. But I would not take a stop loss of what the indicator gives you. Look at your own. Look at the what is the EMA doing? Where is the EMA placed? And what is the last swing high? Have your own personal reason behind where you put the stop loss. I can create a bot that does it for you, but it's not always the best to do, because you probably lose trades because of a bad stop loss. But yeah, so far 55% profitable. I'm pretty satisfied with it. I think it's a decent strategy. And if you use this with support and resistance, Fibonacci retracements and all that of stuff, I don't know, go scalping, guys. It's not bad at all, even on a 15 minutes. I don't know what the 1 minute is doing. What I would say, don't go 1 minute, because it has too much noise in it, and you will get stopped out a lot of times. So just skip this one, please. Almost always do it. Personally, I just don't like to scalp on a 1 minute. Yeah, 30 minutes, 60%, not bad. 1 hour, 60, 4 hours, it's going down daily. We had 13 trades with a 69. That's not bad though. If you guys have better settings for this strategy, just link them, share them in the Discord so other people can use it as well. I'm trying to build up a nice community, and I hope you guys are interested to get in Discord and just talk about strategies. Maybe you can give me any tips or help each other out. It's really nice to be there for each other, because in the end we all want to make money, and if you can help other people with it, it just feels good. That's why I even make these videos. It's just for fun, and for myself I learn a lot from it. If you want to trade and you're not using BYBIT, and you want to use BYBIT because of the fees and stuff, please use our referral link. It's down in the description below. Yeah, you'll help us out a lot, and we would really appreciate it. Yeah, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day. See ya.